Hey guys, so today we're gonna be, it's been a while since I made the shrimps video, but today we're gonna finally eat the shrimp and lime. I'm not fully sure. Okay, let's go. The ingredients we're gonna need is the ramen, water, and let's use a fork today. I'm not really trying to use chopsticks today. Okay, well, let's head to the kitchen. Okay guys, we're at the kitchen, let's grab our ingredients. Okay guys, we got our ingredients. I'll be back when the ramen is done. Guys, actually the flavor is lemon chili. I just figured that out. Okay, so here we go. That was an interesting ramen. Okay guys, that was an interesting ramen. Well, I hope you guys have a good